For few trees over there is good. Musimo and always busy. See? Trees over there. As always. When I make video at Santorini restaurant.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Sanur Bali after sunset. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep staying in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, hey today. Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the situation at the moment in Sanur Bali. And overview today start from Cemara Street and then I will make continue driving on Danau Tamblingan Street. So let's see together how busy is Sanur Bali today. At the restaurant, wow. For a few trees over there is good. Yeah, it's quite bad light. I mean, not enough light actually. But I hope this video will let you know how the situation at the moment in Sanur Bali after the sunset. Yeah, it's very beautiful this area. Actually, I just really recommend it to stay in Sanur Bali because it's just so nice, so calm. Yeah, right side, future is over there. Also left side. Wow. Maybe I will drive in slow today in Sanur Bali because I will let you know how look like the situation at the moment in Sanur Bali after the sunset. Wow, busy, that's good. Yeah, today I will make videos start from the south area in Sanur Bali until to the north area. The end on Danau Tamblingan Street. Yeah, in this area at the right side, along the way is a lot big resort and they are connecting to the Sanur Beach Bali. Traffic jam. Little bit traffic jam. Isn't it? This is ice cream shop we call Musimo and always busy. See? Queue. At the right side, a lot of trees over there. Also left side. That's just really good, isn't it? Wow. Everywhere. Wow, this restaurant, Santorini restaurant in Sanur Bali. Also a lot of trees over there. As always. When I make video at Santorini restaurant in Legian Bali, also always busy over there. Yeah, dinner time is coming soon. Wow, so good. See? A lot of trees over there. At the restaurant, not bad, quite quite busy over here. That's good. Wow. What a treat at the restaurant, isn't it? Ooh. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Sanur Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Yeah, there was Hyatt Regency, big resort, and they are connecting to the Sanur Beach Bali. And the next door is Andas, also big resort, and they are connecting to the Sanur Beach Bali. That's good. The main gate to go to Andas, Sanur Bali. Looks so nice. Busy until the sunset. It's just really good. Maya. Maya Resort. Wow, all the tourists at the restaurant over there. That's good. I hope this video will bring you back memories when you are ever been drive around, maybe walk around in this area. Wow, so busy after the sunset. It's good, isn't it? A lot of trees over there. It's good. Right side also left side. Welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali, brother. Wow, that's good. Busy at the restaurant. Wow, a lot of trees over there. They having early dinner. That's good. Wow, busy, isn't it? The one Sanur Bali. Across the street, trees over there. It's good. Wow. Hello. Busy after the sunset in Sanur Bali. That's good. busy, busy, busy. That's good. So busy. Busy, busy. Also over there. And this is El Hotel at the right side. New hotel but recommended. Because my customer been stay there and they say very nice. Right side, Starbucks. Busy, isn't it? You see? Tourists everywhere. Woo. Sorry, my mistake. The Starbucks at the front right side. Over there. This is Starbucks. See the sign? Hey. Theatres over there. That's good. It's quite busy. Also at the right side. See? A lot of tourists over there. It's good. Oh, behind me there is a restaurant and a lot of trees over there. I just drove in too fast already. Ooh, new big hotel coming soon. Maybe another 1 year or 2 years. I'm not sure. And they are standing exactly beside Icon Mall. I think it's gonna be a hotel there. Or maybe also the department store. I don't know. I'm not sure. Yeah, this is traffic jam because at the front is the main gate to go to Achonk Bali. This is the Icon Mall. Wow, this is over there. At the right side, at the restaurant, sport bar. Wow, a lot of things over there. It's good. Okay guys, so this is our journey today in Sanur Bali on Danau Tamblingan Street. So what do you think? really busy after the sunset, isn't it? That's good. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update session at the moment in Sanur Bali on Danau Tamblingan Suite. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Wow. Yeah, futurists they still have doing shopping here. See at the front right side? Yeah, futurists doing shopping there is good.